Hello everyone. I am Rhythm, a student of third year law of Punjab School of Law in Punjabi University Patiala. I am also an intern at UB Advocate. Today I will be discussing about a topic that is emergency and its kinds. Our Constitution of India provides many provisions to the citizens of India and somehow to protect them also. Sometimes it is needed to take their rights or some freedoms so as to achieve peace and the safety of all the citizens for a long term. One of the main characteristics of our constitution is the way in which the normal federal constitution can be adopted to emergency situation. The Constitution of India provides for three kinds of emergencies. The first one is national emergency, second is state one, and third is financial emergency. We will be discussing them one by one. The first emergency is national emergency which is provided under Article 352. Article 352 of our constitution provides that if president is satisfied that a grave situation has arisen or exists whereby the security of India or any part or territory thereof, he can make a proclamation for the national emergency in case of war, external aggression, or any armed rebellion. The revocation or the proclamation of emergency can be done by the president only. The president can revoke it also if Lok Sabha passes a resolution for the disapprovement. In a case Minerva Mills versus Union of India, it was held that there is no bar to judicial review of the validity of the proclamation of emergency issued by the president under Article 352 Clause 1. Duration of emergency. Prior to the 44th Amendment, a proclamation of emergency could remain in force for 2 months, but after the amendment it was amended that it can be done for indefinite period. It means that as long as if they don't want to remove the emergency or its proclamation. Article 359 empowers the president to suspend all the rights of citizens that are fundamental for all the citizens that are mentioned under the part 3 of the constitution. The second one is the state emergency. State emergency is provided under Article 356 of the constitution. It provides that if president is satisfied that government of the state cannot be carried on or in accordance with the provisions of the constitution, can issue a proclamation. But the president cannot assume to himself any of the provisions vested in the High Court or suspend the operation of any provisions of the constitution relating to the High Court. It can be revoked by president also. There was a case SR Bomai versus Union of India. The Supreme Court in this case took a notice of the ongoing practice and held that in democracy, a federal structure that had been accepted under the constitution, the parties might not be the same. The Supreme Court has laid down a number of guidelines in regard to the exercise of the power of the Article 356. Under Article 352, the state constitution cannot be suspended. The state legislature and the state executive continue to function. The relationship of all the states with the center undergoes a change. The third one is financial emergency, which is provided under Article 360 of our constitution. It provides that if the president is satisfied that a situation has arisen whereby the financial stability or the credit of India or any part of the territory thereof is threatened, he may by the proclamation make a declaration to that effect. The 44th Amendment makes Article 356 and 360 self-contained. It provides that proclamation of financial emergency shall cease to be in operation at the expiry of the 2 months unless it has been approved by the both houses of the parliament. Such a proclamation can be revoked by the president by subsequent proclamation. The duration of the proclamation of the financial emergency will be in operation for 2 months, and unless it is approved by the president, it shall cease to operate at the expiry of the 2 months period. The Constitution of India is unique in respect that it contains a complete scheme for the speedy readjustments of the peacetime governmental machinery in moments of the national peril. That was all about the emergency and its kinds. Thank you very much.